Hi, this is Bake with Vivian. Today I will show you how to make steamed glutinous rice. Normally I'll make about 400 something to 500 gram of portion and then put in the fridge and steam it for a quick weekday lunch. Here are the 6 main ingredients: some chopped up garlic, dry shrimps, dry shiitake, glutinous rice, wood ear, and some fried shallots if you have. Otherwise, you can use the raw shallots chopped up. Put some oil, then add in the dry shrimp. Fry till it's fragrant. Add garlic and continue frying for a while. Add wood ear, shiitake mushroom and glutinous rice. Reserve the water of the mushroom for later. Fry till it is slightly dry. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add a few tablespoons of light soya sauce. One teaspoon of thick soya sauce. Fry until the rice is evenly coated with the black soya sauce color. Add in 1 teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Fry a bit and add in the mushroom liquid because I find that it's going to burn if I don't add in some liquid. Add in 1/3 of the chicken stock cube. Add some water to dissolve the chicken stock cube. Stir to mix everything evenly. Transfer everything to a container and steam it for 30 to 40 minutes. You can keep it in the fridge and steam in rice cooker when you want to eat it.